The Baccarat Crystal Factory, an internationally renowned French crystal factory, was founded under Louis XV. Our vase, made in the 19th century, is made of opaline. Opaque, this precious glass is decorated with a poetic and animal decoration painted by hand. It consists of tits, symbols of marital happiness and fidelity, frolicking on branches. The vase is encircled by a rich silvered bronze frame. It was designed specifically for this piece. This richly decorated object is the result of the combination of the magic of glass and crystal with the magic of bronze workers specializing in the decorative arts. The feet, known as lion's paws, refer to the Renaissance imagination, which was very popular in the 19th century. The frame is decorated with figures and ornamental details of great refinement.